What's the meaning of chronic fatigue syndrome? Chronic fatigue syndrome. Chronic fatigue syndrome.
Chronic fatigue syndrome. Chronic fatigue syndrome. Chronic fatigue syndrome, CFS, is a complex disorder characterized by extreme fatigue that cannot be explained by any underlying medical condition. The fatigue is typically accompanied by other symptoms such as muscle pain, joint pain, headaches, and cognitive difficulties. The cause of CFS is not well understood, but it is believed to involve a combination of factors including immune dysfunction, hormonal imbalances, and psychological stress. There is no known cure for CFS, and treatment typically focuses on managing symptoms through a combination of medication, lifestyle changes, and therapy.